Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, what are the complications of cataract surgery? Complications of cataract surgery can be divided into different types. One, we have operative complications. These are the complications which occur whilst doing the surgery. So sometimes there can be the patient can have irregular incision can result during the surgery. There can be injury to different structures like injury to the cornea, injury to the cornea resulting in decimates detachment, injury to the iris leading to iridodialysis is seen in the patient. Sometimes there can be accidental rupture of the lens capsule and vitreous loss may be seen, with expulsive suprachoroidal hemorrhage may also be seen in the patients. So these are the operative complications of the cataract surgery, that is those complications which occur while doing the cataract surgery.
thank you and thank you for watching.